Hello guys, Patrick again from Waveco, and in today's video, I've never done on how to link your MikroTik to the Centipede billing system for router version 7. These are changes that you need to make on router version 7 so that you don't get something known as radius errors. So in today's video, let's link one. I show you where you change actually. So let me first log into the MikroTik. This is using Winbox version 3.4, 3.41. So let me reset this MikroTik without any default configs. So that is reset configurations, no default configs. Okay, you have had the beep from the MikroTik. Let's wait for the MikroTik to initialize. While the MikroTik is initializing, let's link a MikroTik here. Click on link a MikroTik. Then select here your version. So for mine, now this MikroTik is a MikroTik version 7. And how do you know your MikroTik is version 7? You can just come and check here. I think the MikroTik has finished initializing. As you can see here, it's saying version 7.16. So here's just a quick overview of the MikroTik. Also, if you log into the MikroTik, you can see here it's saying version 7.16. So let's close it. This one, so router version 7. Let's bake that script. Okay, the system has finished baking the script. Now let's generate another one here. Click on here, scripts. PPPU and hotspot script, it will generate another script. So centipid main.rsc, that's the name of this script. Now let's open Winbox. Then click on that interface. So let's click on the MikroTik, click on connect. Then let me set just a simple password here. Then let's link the MikroTik to the internet. So that's IP, click on IP, DHCP client, click on plus here, select the input interface. So I've connected a cable from port 1 of the MikroTik to my core router so that it can give the MikroTik an internet connection. So it's giving internet via DHCP, so that's why I've created a DHCP client. If it was to come to terminal, click on admin, ping, I set the password. Sorry, that's admin. Let's ping 8.8.8.8. I'm getting a response from Google DNS servers. So I come here at files, upload, then I navigate to where they are downloaded, the downloads directory. So I take the Waveco 3, it's here, then the centipede main.rsc, centipede main. So I come back again to terminal. Let's open another instance. That's admin 67. Then I import. So first start with the centipede main.rsc, the second script generated from the system, centipede main.rsc. It will load the script and it will write script file loaded and executed successfully. So let's remove that hotspot that it puts as default, just to save on memory, on space. Then you run the second one. So that's the waveco3.rsc. So import waveco3.rsc. So it will ping Google first to confirm you have an internet connection. It's downloading now the hotspot files, and it will write script file loaded and executed successfully. This script, we recently updated it, so it will disable any unnecessary services on the MikroTik. So it will only just make the API services just for security measures. So once that is done, you can come at radius here. This is the change. This is different from MikroTik version 6. From MikroTik version 6, you don't go to the radius section, but here you need to go to radius. Click on this radius it has added. Then this require message for authentication. Set this one to no, so that you will not get radius timeouts. So I'll just click apply, then okay. Then come here, bridge. Let's designate our bridge. So from port 2 will be set on the Centipid hotspot and PPPoE bridge. So what this config does, it sets both protocols to run on the same port. So both PPPoE and hotspot will be running on a same port. So if either two, let's take an example of port number 2. So port number 2, when it is DHCP, it will give hotspot. But when you change the router to PPPoE format, it will switch to PPPoE. So I'll just designate the ports. Just click on copy. Port 3, apply, click on copy. Port 4, apply, click on copy. Port 5, apply, click on copy again. Also, let's set our wireless. So first you'll have to install wireless. As you can see here, there is no any wireless adapter, so you'll have to install that as an add-on package. So I wanted to install wireless, but I'll show you on another video on how to install the wireless. So once that is done, come here at IP, hotspot, server profiles here, and set this one to the HTML directory. Set it to Centipid hotspot. Now the hotspot file that was downloaded by the system. Click on OK, apply, then OK. Then essentially you're done. You're essentially done configuring the system. If I was to come back here and refresh, let's see. Let's just give it a few minutes for this to update. Let's see if the remote web link feature is no, it can come online now. Right now, it takes a bit of a while for the Centipid dashboard to update, but as you can see, it has actually updated to the online status. And here at Centipid, if you was to click on this VPN, you can see here status connected. So how do you change this radius? The only changes from version 6 to version 7 is this. Change this require auth message to no. That's the only change. And then click on apply. So how do you do that in Winbox version 4? So what I'll do, I'll come to neighbors, allow, come to neighbors, click on this MikroTik, come to radius here, click on that radius, then require auth for message. This one, change it from, it's normally yes, change it from yes, then click on no, then apply, okay, then you should be done. Actually, that's the only change from version 6 to version 7. That's the only change you need to do. Till next time, you have been watching Wavecore, and please remember to subscribe.